Looking to pick the right online learning platform but not sure where to start? In this video, I'll compare Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare so you can find the one that best matches your learning style and goals. Let's begin with Udemy. Udemy is one of the largest course marketplaces, with more than 210,000 courses covering everything from coding and marketing to cooking and photography. Courses are sold individually, with prices typically between $10 and $200, and discounts are common. Since anyone can create a course, quality can vary, but you keep lifetime access once purchased. You'll also receive a completion certificate, though it's not accredited. Udemy is ideal for practical, self-paced learning, especially if you're after a specific skill. Next up is Coursera. Coursera partners with leading universities and major companies to offer over 7,000 courses, specializations, and even degree programs. Many classes can be viewed for free if you audit them, but earning certificates or enrolling in full programs usually cost between $29 and $99, or more for advanced credentials. All certificates are accredited, making Coursera a great option for career-focused learners or anyone wanting formal recognition. Finally, we have Skillshare. Skillshare specializes in creative and project-based skills like illustration, video editing, and photography. There are over 40,000 short, hands-on courses, and instead of paying per class, you subscribe, $29 per month or $99 per year, with a free 30-day trial available. There are no accredited certificates, but the platform's collaborative and project-oriented approach makes it great for creative learners who want to learn by doing. In summary, Udemy stands out for variety, affordability, and lifetime access. Best for hobbyists or professionals learning specific skills. Coursera shines for academic depth and recognized credentials, ideal for career advancement. Skillshare is perfect for creatives who enjoy short, engaging, hands-on projects. Pick the platform that fits your goals best and check out the comparison chart on screen to see how they stack up side by side.